Hi everyone, welcome to SKM Academy. In this video, we're going to see Physics 12th Chapter 1, Exercise 1.19. So the question is, the point charge causes an electric flux of minus 1 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton meter square per coulomb to pass through a spherical Gaussian surface of 10 centimeter radius centered on the charge. So the question is, if the radius of the Gaussian surface were doubled, how much flux would pass through the surface? And the second question is, what is the value of the point charge? So here they have given us the electric flux through the Gaussian surface, that is phi is equal to minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. We know that the Gauss law, flux phi is equal to charge enclosed by epsilon naught. So the first question is, if the radius of Gaussian surface is doubled, how much the flux will pass through? Then if the radius is doubled means the R value will becomes as R value becomes as 20 centimeter. So according to Gauss law, the electric flux depends only on the charge enclosed, not on the radius of the sphere. So even if the radius change, the flux will remain same. So the flux will be phi is equal to minus 1 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton meter square per coulomb. The flux remains unchanged or remains constant because electric flux depends only on charged enclosed, not on the radius of the sphere. And the second question is, what is the value of the point charge? So for that we have to rearrange the Gauss law. For the charge Q is equal to 5 into epsilon naught. So they have given the flux value as minus 1 into 10 to the power of 3 and the epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So after calculating this, we will get minus 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb. So here they have termed as negative flux. The flux is negative because the charge is negative. So if the positive charge means the electric field lines will go outside. That means it's a positive flux. It will gives you the positive flux. If the negative charge means the electric flux will come inward. So it will gives you the value of negative flux. So here the charge must be negative. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video.